Today I'm in London, where we're taking the campaign for better rail connectivity between Liverpool and Manchester to the very heart of government. I've just come out of the famous buildings behind me, which of course are the Houses of Parliament, and we've been in the Commons to speak to ministers, and we've held interviews with the press, and we've spoken to members of the public about what the ambition of this report plans for rail connectivity between Liverpool and Manchester, all contained in this prospectus, and many of the architects of this are on College Green just behind me. Our partnership board has pulled together the evidence and the analysis that demonstrates that this, as part of the Northern Arc, can generate up to £90 billion of GVA for the North. Linking the great cities, the great city regions of Liverpool and Manchester, means that we'll also connect investment zones at either end of that corridor, which has huge potential for economic growth. That's the government's number one mission, and that's why we've took our campaign right to the heart of government.